Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when new content comes out.
Hello YouTubers, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Sam's Automotive. I'm bringing another episode on how to fix your car yourself. Alright, today we got a 2003 Volkswagen 1.8 turbo. The issue that we have in this car are the fans are not working, okay? So this car is overheating. I just did a timing belt last week. Now the problem is the fan is not working. Alright, so there's a couple of steps that I'm going to show you why the AC, the coolant fan, which is this guy here on the right side, and you have the AC fan on the left side. So the right side fan, it has a connector on the back, on the bottom. First thing you want to do is you want to race your car, all right? But before racing your car, I want you to pay attention to this. There is a box. It's right on the top of the engine. You want to check for the third wire, which is going to be this guy here, that this linkage is good. In this case, as you guys can see, that linkage, it was short out, okay? Being reason is that this fan over here is no good. It short the system out. So I test it, and every time I put power to it, my power probe goes out of, like it jumps, like it shorts itself up. So that tells me that fan shorted this fuse here, okay? So once you check that this fuse is good, okay, the next step, you want to come inside, okay, on the car, and there is this little panel here. So we can open this panel real quick. All right, so you will open this panel, and then right between here is going to be 25, and it's going to be, if you count from the top to the bottom, that's going to be number 25. So I'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be the 6. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 25 one, the white one. Make sure the fuse is good. Once you have verified that this fuse here is okay, all right, and you have verified that this box have not burned any fuses, and this third fuse right here is good, the next step is going to be race your car, and then we'll go down here and we'll see this white box, okay? Okay, this white box is going to have 4 wires, and these 4 wires are going to be these guys here, okay? It's going to be 2 small ones, and it's going to be 2 big ones, okay? So you will test this fan manually, and the way you're gonna do is you're gonna apply ground to that brown one right there, and then you can apply 12 volts to the white and red, and then you can apply 12 volts to the red and black. Okay, so the one in the middle, that it's your low side. The black and the red, that's your high, okay? As you can see on the back, there is numbers, 1, 2, 3, all right? So, if you apply ground to the brown one, and you apply 12 volts to any of this, one of this or one of that, and this fan doesn't move, okay? That tells you 100% that this fan is no good, okay? So if you apply ground to that guy here, to the brown one, and you apply 12 volts to any of this, and you see that the fan moves, that tells you that this fan is good. Now, there is a second connector here for this guy, okay? And this is going to be this other connector. It's coming up here, And this connector is actually long. So same thing. You're going to apply ground to the brown one, and then you're going to apply 12 volts to either way. So don't worry about this if you do it wrong, because you can apply ground here and 12 volts to this one, nothing happened. Go in the middle and put ground in the middle, put 12 volt here and 12 volt here. If nothing happened, then your last option is going to be your brown being ground, and then apply 12 volts here and to the last one, and you should see something happen there on the fan. In this case, this fan is no good. I just tested it yesterday for the AC. It's no good. My fan for the engine, which is this other guy here, that is okay. That works, okay? So right there, it tells me that this module right here, okay? This module is no good. So I need to remove that. So the way you're gonna remove this guy, you'll have to disconnect this wire here and this other one here. Once you disconnect this, we'll go to the top and we'll find a 10 millimeter. Okay. And as you guys can see, way down below is going to be 2 bolts. If you move this, you see it down there, right there. There's one, and then I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's right below this wire here. You can see it through here, right here where I got my finger. You'll see 2 number 10s. So I'm going to put pause here and I'll show you when I have it set it up. Okay, so I have it put a long extension. So I'm on the first bolt right there. You guys can see it. Try to move it here. Right there. I'm on the first one. So it's going to be 2 bolts, guys. So pretty much all you got to do is remove the 2 bolts, and then the box is going to drop out. So from the installation, the reverse way. All right, there you go, guys. This is the module. Took it out. It's held by these number 10s on the side, right there. So it's pretty much this box extends like that. You can't put it like that. That's not how it goes. It goes like this. Then it goes 1 bolt here, and it goes the other bolt on the other side. It's kind of hard to see what it is, but you see the hole right there? That's for 1 bolt. Then the other one is under this hose. It's kind of impossible to show you because the whole tray has to come out of here. The battery tray and the battery have to come out in order for you to change that part. But it is possible doing it from the top. You know, you just gotta grab it from. If you're gonna do it from the bottom. You can hold the box, and then from the top you can just screw them in, and then just by hand, and then you go on top with those extension, and that should be good. All right, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. Remember, this box, if your fans are not working, this is bad. You see how this thing sounds? It's always big problem with these boxes because they go under there and there is water gets there. As you can see, this one's all corroded. So is this side here. You can see that like water just came out and got out of there. All the edge around. So yeah, it's all bad. That's the part number on it. Okay, guys. Well, now we'll say goodbye. God bless you. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe.